Howdy everyone, so this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. We're doing a walkthrough of the One Preston Station. So here's what it looks like in here. This is a really pretty, larger one bedroom. We're starting from the living room area. Oh, this has a big yard. Do you see that yard out there? Oh my goodness, that's a huge yard. Look at that. So it's got a yard. So you've got yards here at the One Preston Station. Yards, so your pets will be happy here at the One Preston Station. This is what it looks like. It's just gorgeous. There's a lot of space in here. It's 806 square feet. You can see there's a built-in desk that's over there too. Love that built-in desk. And just a lot of space to really feel at home here. Here's this jetting out kitchen area, jetting out, I just call it a jetting out island. Very, very nice. You've got all new appliances in here, all new everything, because it's just opened up really just very, very recently. So it's a beautiful, beautiful feeling here. And this gives you a lot of space to work with. This is great to invite people over with too. Very, very nice area. That's your entrance with the mudroom. So that's really, really cute. Hey, now let's take a peek inside the bedroom and bathroom.